tired because I am tired. Yesterday was Rory's birthday party and it's still kind of a mess back here, and in front of me there are tons of balloons that we need to pop and get rid of. I'm about to have coffee. Do you like my necklace? My mom has started what is it called? She melts glass and she's been making them into necklaces, and so yesterday she gave all of us a pendant, and she knows that I like smaller pendants, so she made me one and I love it. Got my coffee. I will wake up at some point. I had planned on actually going back to bed, but I don't know. Last week I didn't vlog. I also really don't like this camera angle. Okay, I think I like that a little better. Last week I didn't vlog and it shows. Anyway, I have a shoulder that bothers me and I'm constantly bent over a desk. I've talked about it on my vlogs before. I have a back brace or like a strap thing that I wear. It honestly just looks like backpack straps. It keeps my posture the way it should be. When we moved, we lost the strap, or it's still in some of the boxes we haven't unpacked. It flared up really bad yeah, it wasn't a great week to vlog. And then of course at the end of the week I was just getting ready for the party. I was really tempted to eat leftover birthday cake for breakfast, but I know it will give me the biggest sugar crash in like an hour and a half, so I thought I'd best not. My radio just stopped and I don't know why. We got a new radio. I showed it just a minute ago. It's by Crosley, but it's styled after the old Cathedral radios, so I love it. It's playing Lost Heaven radio, which is based after the video game called Mafia, which I haven't played, but my husband has played it, and I really like that. We listen to that or to Fallout radio, which is based after a video game too, but the Lost Heaven radio I really like because it will have like bits come on between your songs and it sounds like an old radio spokesman, so I really like it. I am planning on doing a monthly gallery event, which sounds very fancy, doesn't it? A monthly gallery event where I sell original art pieces by me, obviously. And also I want to sell little wood slices that you can put on these little mini easel stands. So it's just something cute, something a little bit different. What else? I have a bit of an art haul to show you guys this week. I'll have various art supplies that are coming in. And then I got some new products from my shop. We are carrying stationery now, so we have note cards and envelopes, and we also have new stickers, so I'm excited about that. We also have a new recipe card design, and yeah, I'm really excited. I'm excited for all the new things. This week I also am taking part in a clay collaboration with another maker, a yarn dyer. I'm gonna have my coffee, eat my granola bar, and when my art stuff gets here, I think I might paint a little bit today. I don't have a lot. It is almost 10 o'clock at night. I actually did a lot today. I worked on the collaboration for some clay stars, and I got that pretty much done. It would be done except when my son got home. What is my hair doing? When my son got home, he wanted me to do some other stars that go along with this theme, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that this week. It's only Tuesday. It feels like Thursday, maybe Friday. I'm just about to go to bed, but I wanted to kind of show you guys what I worked on today. I have been slowly putting together the original pieces that I plan to sell. You know, I was gonna do it this week because I would like to do it at the end of every month. I think it's gonna have to be next week, but I do have lots of fun things planned. So anyway, I have 4 pieces done, I believe. Currently they're just stuck in my watercolor book because I don't have my mat boards in yet. So I'll show those to you real quick. I did this one. Chickadee and rainbow socks. And then I have another one where he's in green polka dot socks, but that one's not for sale. This one will be for sale. The original will be. And a s'mores cupcake. Just waiting on more supplies to come in this week. I've been working on some teeny tiny little sketches that are going to be tiny paintings that I have very special plans for, but they will have to wait. I don't know if I will show you guys what I have planned for them in this vlog. It might be in next week's vlog. But anyway, I hope that you all had an amazing start to your week. I'm not sure if this is the end of the vlog or not. It might be. I feel like it's probably pretty long at this point already. So anyway, I will say good night for now, and I wish you all well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Good night.